Hello students, today I am going to explain the qualities of an entrepreneur, the qualities which is required for a successful entrepreneur. So the first quality to be a successful entrepreneur which is required is an initiative. Initiative is nothing but for a successful entrepreneur, initiative take place a very important role in a business. So initiative means what? It is making the first move. So entrepreneur should always be proactive and look out at the new business opportunity. So he should always thinks about the new activities, always search for new. That is what the main quality which is required to be an entrepreneur. They like to take an initiative. A person who like to take an initiative will definitely going to be success, will going to achieve goal in his business or going to be a successful businessman, whereas a person who is not ready to take any kind of opportunities, he definitely going to find a problem in his business. So the initiative taking place a very important role here, because initiative is the one who is always ready to take the responsibilities, who's always ready to take the opportunities, the grab the opportunities which arises in the market. So they should be able to take an advantages constructive situations and use them for their own benefit, because when you get the opportunities, there is saying that when you get the opportunity, grab the opportunity, because always the door will knock for you. So right, so always you should ready to take the opportunities which you get in the market. So here the best example for initiative is the Mark Zuckerberg, one who is the CEO of Facebook, who has created the Facebook. He wanted to find a way to people share media and to stay connected, to begin this as a site that only he had the other people on his university campus use. Now however it is a global. So he is a person who has grabbed the opportunities and developed a Facebook, which now one of the leading social media where the people are connected with each other. That is the initiative which Mark Zuckerberg has taken here. So that is the first quality which is required for an entrepreneur initiative. Now the second one is taking a risk. The quality which is required for an entrepreneur is a risk. Entrepreneur must be a risk taker. Why he must be a risk taker is because he should always ready to bear the risk. In business, anything may happen. Sometime the business may get good results, or some time it may get bad results. So every time it won't be same situation. So always a businessman must entrepreneur must take a calculative risk. That is very important. He not only taking a risk is important here, by taking a calculative risk is very important here, because a risk taker always, see for example, I'll give one example. ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, he'll go to the bank and take the loans, crores of loans ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ವೆದರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ರೀಪೇ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಉಂಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ರೀಪೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿವ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿವ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ is also very important here. So every entrepreneur should be prepared to take a risk. There is a chance to damage occurring, but there is also possibility of success. Sometime you may fail, or sometime you may also get a good result. So both are part and parcel of life. So here of a business. So here taking a risk is very important quality which is required to be an entrepreneur. So entrepreneur take always calculated risk, so it pays off. It could not see them achieve incredible feats and make significant profits. So the best example here is entrepreneur who took risk was Richard Branson. Not only has he pulled some shocking stunts, but he has made many losses in order to achieve what currently he has. So it is a part of parcel of dice. Whenever you dice a roll, either you may get any number, sometime you may get 6 numbers, sometime you may get 1 number. So that is always based on situations, right? So it is luck like. So here taking risk is very important part here, very important quality which is required to be an entrepreneur. The third one is making decisions. Decision making at the right time is also taking a very important role of an entrepreneur. So to be an entrepreneur, to be a successful entrepreneur, he must take a decision at the right time is also very important, because if you're not taking the right decisions, the taken decisions must be applicable, right? So you have taken a decision but the already time has passed, so it may not be suitable for your business, because that time may be lapsed there. So the taking a decisions way is also very right time is also very important here. So before deciding upon anything, they need to be judged if it was beneficial for their business or not. So most experienced entrepreneur can do this well and do the best for their business. Always the taken decisions must be you must think about it whether it will be suitable for your business or not. So on the basis of that, you have to take a decision at the right time. Taking a right time decision is also very important to be a successful entrepreneur, because you have the taken decision may not be outdated one. So that is very important part here. That is the third one. The next one is showing leadership. So leadership is very quality, the next quality which is required to be a effective leader. So here the leader must be a role model to the other in his organization. As a leader, he should be expert influence upon others and motivate them. As a leader in a group, the entrepreneur can ensure high level of performance. So always a good leader, the quality to be a good leader is always he will motivate, he will do the work done from the others by motivating the employees or motivating the workers ಅನ್ನು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೊರತು he will not pressurizing ವರ್ಕರ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರನ್ನು ಬೈದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ he will not get a good results. So to be a good leader, he must be a role model to the others in the organization. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವನೊಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್. ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಂದ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸುವಂಥ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಲೀಡರ್. Then the fifth one is creativity.